Hey, what's going on, guys? Bob Mentality here, and I am tuning in on Monday. The markets are closed today, but futures is still trading, and I just want to talk about some thoughts heading into Tuesday's price action here. We'll just get started into it. So on the VIX, you can see we've seen multiple downside days, consistent downtrend, bottomed out here at 25.57 into Friday's close, and then we're gapping up here towards Tuesday's session. It's currently Monday at about 10 a.m. But we're gapping over into this area just because VIX is trading, because ES is trading, right? Just zoom out a little bit here on the 4-hour. Finally, on the daily chart, we got consistent hold, multiple bottom between this 3,800 and 3,900, right? We held this 3,850 area, and now we're seeing a significant upside. The first significant upside we've seen since this small 3-day stretch here. And this is, 1 day is soaked, 2, 3, 4, and now going towards a 5th upside day, okay? So the supply watch, looking for that daily lower high, is what the bears are looking for. The entry to go ahead and short this for the bear market rally idea, even though we broke this downtrend here. We broke this downtrend line. Now we're back above it. But they're looking for the retest of that line to either continue higher or roll lower. So if we zoom in here on the 4-hour, the most significant supply to watch for is going to be, of course, 4,200. We touched it. Small pullback here, but who knows what will happen during the rest of this future session, or at 6 p.m. when it reopens into Tuesday, or Monday night, Tuesday morning. Who knows what will happen there before the cash open on Tuesday. But the most significant supply is going to be 4,200, 4,300. And there's not really much between those. So if we get through 42, I'd expect to see some continuation pretty quick towards the upside. Most people would be looking to reshort that 4,300 area. Also, because look at these two tops we had here into that 4,300. That's a huge supply level that the bears are going to be looking for. And the bulls are likely going to be looking to take profits if we do reach that amount. Zooming in here, below us 4150, and essentially you could say 4100, or you could just say 4070. All right, would be a good watch below that on the downside. But so far, this is a nice healthy upside move from Friday. We're seeing some pullback, some supply rotate in here during the future session. We'll see what happens if we see more come in here heading into Tuesday, or if we just remount that 200, this evening or today and ramp higher, right, towards that 4,300 supply, which is the main supply. You can see there's no fear. I mean, the VIX just got killed. Look at the daily chart here. It has a while to go before we get back to sub 20 numbers, which is where I much prefer VIX to be at to trade premium on the ES. But yeah, it got killed. 3 consistent down days. Where's that huge bullish breakout or market crash everyone was looking for? So far, it seems to have evaporated after the minutes came out last week and Powell spoke. So yeah, as far as beta names, they responded to this. So you can look at Apple here on the daily chart. Look at that, going and retesting those highs. A lot of people would be looking at supply in the 152.50 or probably even higher, probably 157.50. Amazon, nice upside move. Supply right here at the 2320. Other people are going to be looking at 2400 or 2480 towards 2500. AMD, nice upside move. Supply there on the 104 and then 110 upcoming. NVIDIA. Upside 200 is going to be the main short. If this thing goes 200, everyone is going to be looking to short that, probably with a risk on 205, 203. Nvidia, Tesla, room up into 800 over that. I mean, question mark. I mean, you could reference 850, basically every $50 on Tesla. Microsoft, supply into the 280, also into the 290 here. But this 280, 284, 285 area, this is a high probability short, especially if we blow it and go to 290. If ES can hit 4,300, everyone is going to be looking to short tech, because there's a high chance if ES opens over 4,200, that tech gaps up huge towards this 280 plus, and Microsoft towards that 284 area. A lot of people are going to be looking to get short there, just because this is a huge move off the lows, a massive percentage gain, and supply is going to be on the ES. We're reaching supply on the ES, so the probability of a pullback, the favor of momentum shifting into the favor of the bears, is more likely the closer ES gets to either 4,200 or 4,300 based on the tech extension. So we'll see what happens in Tuesday's session, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Remember to stay focused, develop that bot mentality, which is a trading mentality where you learn to eliminate your emotions so you can trade like a machine, guys. I'm out of here. Deuces.